Hello everyone, have a very beautiful day ahead. And today it is a birthday of goddess Ganga. Here in India we call it Ganga Dashera. So lots of wishes to all of you. Today I am going to talk about Karmic Reiki course. Definitely this course is available in online mode. You can use Skype, Facebook or any other messenger to learn this course. What is Karmic Reiki? Karmic Reiki is a special course for karma, and basically it is a dealing with issues arises by the negative karma. In our daily proceedings, we are going through many actions, thoughts, values, and cultural changes. In these whole circumstances, whole cycle of our tasks, sometimes we hurt, sometimes we give happiness. So by this way we create many kind of karmas. Some karmas gives us a boost to move in your life, in our life, and some karmas just become a small block or big block or huge block to stop our growth. Why we should learn Karmic Reiki? Because we have a great wish to overcome from present effects of negative karma. As we created or generated the negative karma energy for us, in same way we need something to heal it. This is Karmic Reiki. How Karmic Reiki can heal my karma? We carry all kinds of negative and positive energies within us. Our aura and chakra system is a beautiful expression of this record. Karmic Reiki works as a soother for these places negative karma energy. That means it removes negative karma, so I will be superior. No, Karmic Reiki never removes or deletes your karma. Actually, it provides a soothing support for your soul, chakras, and aura so you can pass this difficult time on less damage. Karmic Reiki heals relationship. Yes, very strongly. It works on relations because our all relations come after the inspiration of karma. Some people gave us happiness and some sadness. All happened due to karma. As we start healing with Karmic Reiki, their relations come in healing mode and people feel relief. This relief can be a happy separation or increase in love. This is beautiful phase of Karmic Reiki because someone is giving you pain. That means you have a great karma record with that person. If someone is giving you happiness, that means you have a very good collection of positive energy with that person. Karmic Reiki works on finance area. Money too comes by the karma and purest blessings. Negative karma first blocks our financial resources or relations, maximum in female cases, relations, and for male, money. Karmic Reiki gives a soothing effect here as it reveals way to clean that energy and open doors of opportunity. How many levels it has? Karmic Reiki has two levels, first practitioner and second master. How to learn and eligibility for Karmic Reiki? You can learn after Usui Reiki level 2 and you need to find a master of Karmic Reiki and Usui Reiki for best work. This system has symbols. Yes, this system has symbols and they are very easy and powerful to clear energetic healing. Karmic Reiki can be practiced with other Reiki healings. Yes, it can be practiced with Usui Reiki and Karunaki Reiki. With Karunaki Reiki, it creates magic. Is this available in distance mode? Yes, this course is available in distance mode and attunement and learning as well. Ritu Kaushal is a karmic Reiki master and she is teaching from long time successfully. So if you have interest, so you can write a beautiful email for me about this course. Karmic Reiki is very important to learn for everyone because we all are going through karmic issues. When we heal our karma, so actually we are healing our presence and future as well. Thank you very much. You all listen me with great patience. With peace, love and light, your friend Ritu Kaushal. Please do not forget to write me email on kaushalreiki@gmail.com. Thank you.